Hi, Carly. Can you say hello, Dada? Say hello, Dada. Say Dada.
Dada.
Say Dada, we miss you.
Do I get my picture right?
Yep, ready? Tell Daddy. Say, Daddy, I miss you.
I miss you.
Tell Daddy what you did today. Tell Daddy what you did at school.
I played.
And what else?
Made Jello. Made Jello.
Did you eat it all?
Uh-huh.
All right, tell Daddy you miss him.
I miss him.
Say, have fun in Germany.
Have fun in Germany.
I love you.
I love you. Cassie.
Dobby. Say, hey, Daddy. Carly. And there's Carly's. Say, Daddy, we love you. Say, Dada. Dada. That's right. Dada. Hey, Dada. Woo, Dada. Closer.
Can I see Dada?
Love you, Daddy.